SWAPO Party Member of Parliament Olivia Hanguo underscored the imperative for timely action, emphasizing that any delay in the passing of the two bills will persist in exposing debtors to losing their primary residences under the current legal framework.
If we prolong the discussion and cause delayment in passing of Higher Court Amendment Bill, Bill 18 of 2023, we will be discriminating against the judgment debtors whose case are pending in the Higher Court of Namibia for the sale in execution of the primary homes. These judgment debtors will continue to lose their primary homes under the current Higher Court Act number 16 of 1990. I am therefore seeking this August House and unanimous concurrence to consider and pass the Higher Court Amendment Bill, Bill 18 of 2023 as a matter of urgency during this course of this week.
Another SWAPO Party Member of Parliament, John Likanto, suggested the implementation of measures that would allow family members to inherit the properties and cover the remaining costs rather than resorting to repossession.
The house has been paid for 15 years. Why don't we make policies that allow one to inherit the remaining 5 years to pay it if he afford on behalf of the family instead of just repossessing the house?
Other members of Parliament added to the discussion.
And not talk about the right to shelter, the right to dignity, without referring to shelter. Therefore, the main objective of our government should to ensure that borrowers stay in their house or in their home, and to this end, repossession of housing should be the last resort.
If I can pay a house, a car, for the value of 800,000 within 5 years, I should also be able to pay a house for the value of 5,000 within 5 years. It's possible. Why people can pay car for the value of $1 million for 5 years, but a house within 500,000 take you 20 years.
To me, I understand that it is not needed to be a compulsory. We have to have a time frames. Either it can start with 5 years up to 20 years. Yes, those can fit to pay the house back within 5 years, allowed to do so. While those cannot able to pay within 5 years, they can do it within 20 years. So it's not needed to be a compulsory. Need to be flexible enough so that every Namibian can acquire what is a need.